Welcome to Car Updater, your go-to channel for the latest updates, reviews, and insights on the world of automobiles. Today, we're exploring the 2025 Tesla Model 3, a car that continues to raise the bar for electric vehicles. Whether you're a Tesla enthusiast or someone considering the switch to electric, this video will guide you through the latest features, updates, and everything that makes the 2025 Model 3 a standout in its class. The 2025 Tesla Model 3 comes with a host of improvements, starting with its refreshed exterior design. Tesla has fine-tuned the car's aerodynamics, giving it an even sleeker and more futuristic appearance. The new headlights and taillights are sharper and more defined, adding a bold yet refined look. With fresh color options and redesigned wheels, the Model 3 caters to those who appreciate aesthetics as much as performance. Inside, the 2025 Model 3 brings a luxurious and modern experience. The cabin is upgraded with premium materials, better soundproofing, and a more spacious feel, making every drive comfortable and enjoyable. The centerpiece of the interior is the upgraded touchscreen, now faster and more intuitive than ever. It offers an enhanced user interface and new features to simplify navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls. Tesla has also optimized seating comfort and added ambient lighting to elevate the overall vibe. Performance-wise, the 2025 Model 3 does not disappoint. Tesla has made improvements to the battery and motor technology, delivering better range, faster acceleration, and improved efficiency. Depending on the variant you choose, you can expect ranges that push well beyond 300 miles on a single charge. The dual-motor all-wheel drive option provides exceptional handling and stability, ensuring a smooth and confident ride in all conditions. Additionally, the regenerative braking system has been refined for a more seamless driving experience. Safety continues to be a priority for Tesla, and the 2025 Model 3 is equipped with the latest in active and passive safety features. Enhanced autopilot capabilities bring more advanced driver assist functionalities, making highway drives and city navigation easier and safer. With updates to Tesla's full self-driving technology, the Model 3 is closer than ever to delivering a fully autonomous driving experience. The Model 3 also caters to sustainability-conscious buyers. Tesla has focused on improving the eco-friendliness of its manufacturing processes and materials, making the car an excellent choice for those who want to reduce their carbon footprint without compromising on quality or performance. In summary, the 2025 Tesla Model 3 is a perfect blend of innovation, performance, and style. It continues to set the standard for electric vehicles, proving that sustainability and luxury can go hand in hand. Whether you're already a fan of Tesla or new to the world of EVs, this car has something for everyone. Thank you for tuning into Car Updater. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest car models and technologies. Your support helps us bring you the best content in the automotive world. Thanks for watching Car Updater, and we'll see you in the next video.